Hey you. So, I'm here eating. And my cat mysteriously comes in my room. They're not supposed to be inside, but, he's here begging for food. And he's trying to look cute. Let's see if you can see this. There he is, right there. That big black blob. Hey, Elmo. There he is. Cat. He likes begging for food. I'm not sure why. He thinks he's a dog. Let me get him for you guys. This is Mo. And he's weird. Because he begs for food and tries to be a dog. He also hauls around socks when he used to live inside. And he touches people's face. Just an introduction to a cat.